that a pig? Come here, Sammy. I can't tell myself. Come here. I think I'm gonna put you inside. Oh, yeah, that's a big old pig. He's a big boy. Wonder if there's any others around. Let me put Sammy up. Okay, he ran off. Just when I opened the door, he ran off. That was a big one. Just makes me worried about what other ones are around. Sammy being out here. He moved on. Good morning. Yeah, it is early. I'm about to, since I don't have a hot water heater anymore, I'm going to utilize the showers here at the park before I leave. So, I have a Walmart pickup this morning between 9 and 10 in Big Spring, Texas. Still humid here. Not as bad. I guess I'm kind of more used to this humidity than that higher humidity. But I am going to go up there and take a shower, dump my trash. I'm not going to dump my tanks because where I'm going has full hookups. So we're not on the road yet. Not yet. We're on the way to the showers though. Oh yeah. That was a good 3 days of R&R, or 3 nights of R&R. Didn't go anywhere, so other than fishing, that was just walking. But I never did unhook my camper and go anywhere, so. All right. There's only two other campers down here. When am I gonna get a new phone mount? Do y'all know? I guess I don't. I'm just afraid the one I'm gonna buy is gonna be like stand real tall and it's gonna be a blind spot for me. That's why I like this one, but it just won't hold this phone. 7:25. Let's see if there's anybody up here. There's like 4 campsites up here. Oh, no. There isn't. Oh, yeah, there is. 1 van and 1 travel trailer. It's a beautiful morning. They have a little book exchange. This has been here forever, I remember. Let's see if there's anything you get in here. Ted Decker. I wonder if I've read that one. Yes, I have. Red, black, and green, I think is. Alright, I don't need any of those. There's a trash can. There's the restrooms. Alright. That felt wonderful. It was hot. And in Texas, they don't regulate the water. I mean, the water pressure was fine. It wasn't great. The drain didn't drain good, but hi. I love you too. Yeah, she says, I know it's about time. Anyway, she says, Mama, hold me. I got you, baby girl. I got you. Yeah. She says, I just don't like traveling anymore. It's Joey. It's Joey. She likes to get there, rolling the ground on the grass or the dirt or whatever, but she just don't like she likes the destination, not the journey. Yeah. I don't know what's up with my hair. I just washed it and it's like, I have this cowlick up there or something. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. I'm about to get on the road. I had to dump the trash. I don't get it. How I can load up one Walmart bag a day of trash. Where does it come from? It's like, I guess I don't, you know, when you live in your sticks and bricks and you got a pretty big trash can, you don't realize how much trash you accumulate or produce until you have to go to the dumpster daily. Well, I didn't go to the dumpster daily because the dumpster's way up here. Why do they put the dumpster way up here by the exit versus down in the park where all the campers are? I'll never understand some things. Things that make you go, Things, it's like, wouldn't that be common sense to put the dumpster where the people are? Because, like me, I mean, I could walk up here, but not daily. Well, I could daily. It'd probably be good for me, but I'm not gonna dump, so we need to go this way. But when it's hot and humid, or raining, or storming, it'd be nice for the dumpster to be closer. So yeah, I had like 4 sacks of trash, and when I do that, I usually just put them in my truck on the, I have a rubber floor mat in case it leaks, so I'm not living with my trash. But so I had to dump all that trash. Do y'all produce that much trash? I just, makes you think, doesn't it? All right, let's not get all philosophical this morning, and let's just enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey, enjoy the Walmart pickup. I'm on schedule, everything's good. Yeah, my Walmart pickup is from 9 to 10, and it's about an hour drive, so it's 8:07 now, so we're good. Gotta go up here and unlock the gate because we're locked in. Locked in. I don't know what's up with my hair. It's like I need to go re-wet it and comb it differently or something. It didn't lay right. Anyway, got about a 4.5 hour drive. That's Google time. So it's gonna be by the time I stop at Walmart. And I'm gonna stop at Taco Villa and eat my favorite fast food, Mexican food. You can't pass a Taco Villa. You can't pass a taco. And I know it's via, real Spanish is via, but we all learned it growing up as Villa, Taco Villa. So anyway, you can't pass a Taco Villa. I should try to correct that. Without stopping eating there. That'll be about a midway trip, so that'll be nice to kind of break up my trip. All that to say, it's gonna probably be about a 6.5, 7 hour day. Yeah. It's gonna be a long day. I'm here at Walmart, gonna do my Walmart pickup and then get back on the road. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, I'm here in Andrews, Texas. I'm going to Taco Bell. Yeah. Did I say this was my favorite fast food? It's just because I grew up with it. Alright, let's go. Taco Bell. Y'all have seen this before. Guadalajara. And a meat burrito. Red sauce. And a drink. Well, I just crossed over into New Mexico. Woo-hoo! Yeah, I'm a Texan, but in my heart, I don't know, because I sure do love New Mexico, and I just can't shake it. So, anyway, I'm glad to be home in Texas and leaving Texas and being home in New Mexico. So, yay. I am in New Mexico. Oh, you are too. Yeah, you are too. You love New Mexico too? Yeah, I know you do. Yeah, I know you do. Well, I have landed. It's like 90 degrees outside. I'm sitting outside. There is humidity. I can't feel it because it's so low. So, loving this New Mexico weather. Yeah, a whole lot different than that southern Texas weather. Yeah, very nice.